Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete projects in InShot. InShot is a versatile video editing application that allows users to create, save and manage multiple video projects. Over time your saved project may accumulate and consume storage space, and in this tutorial we'll explain how to delete projects in InShot to maintain a clean workspace and optimize store. First, what you can do is launch Duo InShot on your device, and on the main screen verify this video, photo and the collage, and tap on the video to view all the saved projects including a draft and unfinished edit. Over here, reviewing your project helps you identify which ones are no longer needed. So on the bottom you can find this one draft. What you can do is simply select to this three dot icon just beside the draft and tap on the delete, and it will again ask you to confirm the action if prompted, and be aware that deleting a project is irreversible, and once deleted the project and any unsaved edits will be lost forever. Select delete, and that is it. By regularly deleting unnecessary projects or drafts in InShot, you can optimize storage, improve app performance and maintain your tidy workspace for all your videos editing needs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.